owning a laundromat, you have invested the capital to get yourself started. You have overcome the pretty high barrier of entry that we have within this business. If you have gotten a quote for a new store, you realize it takes a lot of capital to be able to open a laundromat. And so when you're able to establish that laundromat and then process as much revenue through that store that you can, we calculate it by machine utilization, which we call turns per day. Maybe a metric that you use. If you do not, I highly recommend you look into it and use that as a very good metric and barometer of the health of your store. And with these people who come in and are doing their own laundry, doing their Airbnb's laundry, doing 5 salons laundry, we have carried the cost for the equipment. And the only thing that they have are the costs for our machines. And we charge about 15 cents a pound for retail laundry. And our margin for utilities is about 15%. So that's 2.25 cents for every pound that we wash. So when that person comes in with their customer's laundry and they're going to start a machine and wash 90 pounds of laundry, they're only going to pay about 15 cents a pound to process that. So their variable cost in how much laundry they do is still pretty low. So that provides them with profitability, and it provides us with higher turns per day. We have learned that it is a pretty nice symbiotic relationship, and might talk about it a little later, but that's where I see our industry going. I see stores that are existing, that have paid for the equipment. I see commercial laundry being done in different facilities, and then these app-based, easy-to-use services that utilize laundromats within their neighborhood, within their city, to be able to provide full-service garment care for their customers. And that's something that we have to contend with as an industry. Where are we going? And what liability does it have for not just our books, our financials, but our business model too?